Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole's making it happen. And I'm here at CVS. I'm going to do a walkthrough to show you guys a bunch of clearance that's going on. There are a lot of good clearance deals that have coupon matchups with them, as well as Ibotta rebates. So you are able to get a bunch of stuff cheap. Now, just to let you guys know, I'm going to go to two different stores because some stores have some stuff marked, some stores don't. And then some clearance, some items are in one store and some items are in another store. So I just want to make sure I give you guys a good variety of what we have. So be sure to get your phones out so that you could take screenshots and so that you can match them up with what's in your store as well as with your CRTs and your coupons. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and hit the bell right next to it so that you can get a notification every time we put up a new video. That way you don't miss out on anything. And let's get ready to save, guys. Here are some clearance finds that I couldn't find in my store, or if I did find them in my store, they were full price. So thank you for Karen from freecoupons.com for sharing this information with us. She got it from someone else, but I don't remember who. But here are just some of the items that were on clearance at her store and at other people's stores, but not at my store. So just like I said, scan everything and check. We didn't have the character items, but some of the Suave shampoo we did have, but it was not on clearance. It was full price. So now let's get into some of the things that I was able to find. Here is the shower cap from Conair. You can see that is on clearance for 52 cents. Great buy. Then the next item that I'm going to get is, well, I'm not going to pick these up, but these are on clearance. They're CVS tampons, 75% off, as you can see. Then there's some other ones that are on sale on clearance, which are the Tampax. And there is a $1 digital coupon that attaches to those. And you can use a CRT if you get enough of them to add up to the threshold on the CRT. Then the Centrum vitamins, there's a $3 digital coupon for these, as well as a paper coupon. They're 75% off, $4.19. And you can combine the vitamins so that you can use one of your spend CRTs. There's more Centrum vitamins. Again, the $3 digital does attach. Or you can use the paper coupon. I'm going to use one paper and one digital. These are 25% off. And then the Flintstones are 75% off. Now, I'm not going to get these because they expire 4/20/22. So I'm actually taking these up to the register, because when you find expired items, not just food items, it could be anything. If it's expired, you bring it to their attention, you get a $3.50 coupon. And that's what I'm going to use towards my purchase. Now, here's these elderberry extract. They are 75% off. I'm going to use the $5 off to Nature's Truth coupon. So that's going to be a pretty good deal on those. Hello, hello, hello. This is what I end up picking out after showing you all of that clearance stuff. I got a ton of vitamins. So guys, check your vitamin aisles because there are some great deals on vitamins. So the first transaction that I did was on the OI Thin Day pads, which are these right here. And I also included the antibacterial wipes. These wipes are on clearance, 75% off, and they were like 33 cents, something like that. Unfortunately, the way that these new CVS receipts are printing, they don't print the exact clearance price off. So let me show you my receipt. Here are the pads. They were regularly $6.29. and then the antibacterial hand wipes. Now, these are the small ones, the 20 count. They also have a large count. I think that's like 50 in a pack or something. Those are 75% off also. But I just got the smaller ones because I wanted to use a $2 extra buck that was expiring. So there you see, my total was $2.21 between the pads and the wipes. And I used my $2 extra buck, and then I used a 21-cent extra buck. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, as you can see, and I got back $1 for the oi girl, however you want to say it, pads. So the pads and the wipes here cost me $1.11 out of pocket. So then my next transaction I got was the Conair shower cap. You can see that. This was on clearance for 52 cents. I showed you that picture earlier, so I got that. And then I got the Centrum vitamins, the Rest and Rejuvenate. Okay, and I had a coupon for that, and I'll go over my coupons. Then I also got the other Centrum Move and Strength. And then I got the 2 things of eye caps, which I used coupons for. And the Nature's Bounty Black Elderberry Extract. And the tampons Pure 100% Organic Cotton. So let me show you my receipt. So here you see my receipt. You see the clearance prices aren't on there, but I just shown to you earlier in the video. Okay, these are the coupons that I used. I used the $5 Nature's Truth coupon. It was $5 off 2 Nature's Truth. I used that. I used a it says a $2 and a $3. I'm not sure what happened, but I swore I gave her another $5 coupon for the eye caps, which I guess is right there. And then I had another eye caps, Sustain eye caps coupon. And I think that's where I messed up. I gave her that, but I should have given her another $5 one. And then I used a $3 coupon for the Centrum. And then I had a $1 digital coupon for the Tampax. But if you still have your P&G, you can use that one. It's expired, but CVS will still take it if your CVS takes expired coupons within 14 days. And then I had a $3 digital coupon for the Centrum. Then I had a $4 off 20 any vitamin CRT and a $2 off 10 any vitamin CRT. And then this is where the deal gets better. So you see I have a CVS coupon for $3.50. That was for the expired vitamins that I brought to their attention, the Flintstone vitamins. So I got $3.50 for that. So my out-of-pocket came to $6.70 for that. I'd say that's pretty good, guys. That was like almost $100 worth of vitamins. So I'm pretty pleased with that. So let's go on to our next transaction. Okay, and the last transaction I did was on the Nature's Truth chewable vitamin C plus and the Himalaya Organic Almna. I think that's how you say it. But both of these were on clearance also. Let me show you my receipt. Okay, and I used a $5 extra buck to pay. My total was $6.74. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. And for the Himalaya, I got $5 back on that. And then I got $1 back on the Nature's Truth. So I actually submitted this receipt first before I submitted the receipt for this one. But this one does work for the Ibotta rebate too. So either one that you want to get, the Ibotta rebate will work on these. So because I got $6 back from Ibotta, then that means I only paid 74 cents out of pocket. So when you add all of this up, the 74 cents from the one purchase, the $6.70 from the second purchase, and then the $1.11 from the third purchase, I actually spent $8.55 out of pocket. I'd say that's pretty good, guys. So when you divide 8.55 by 13 items, that comes to 66 cents an item. I say that's a fantastic deal, guys. I mean, just on the one purchase, we saved like $123. Like right here, just on the purchase alone with the Centrums, the eye caps, the Nature's Truth, we saved $134 alone. So I'd say this is a pretty good vitamin haul. And this also gave me 3 rebates from Ibotta. We all know that we're trying to get those Ibotta bonuses done. We all have a whole bunch of rebates to get. So this is a quick and easy way for you to get those rebates and to be able to get your bonuses. So this is just some of the stuff that's on clearance in the store. If you're not sure, just scan, because a lot of this was unmarked in one store, and then I went to the other store and it was marked. So you just never know with your store. So just scan everything, guys, and then check your Ibotta rebates to see if any of them attach. Because, for example, with the Himalaya, I would have never guessed that the organic or Maya would attach to that because it wasn't listed and it wasn't pictured. But when I scanned it, it actually attached to it. And then the Nature's Truth elderberry extract, I wasn't sure if that was going to attach, but it did. So just always scan your Ibotta rebates as well as scan your products in the CVS store. And don't forget that you need to check your CVS app to see if you have any CRTs to match these, because I had the vitamin CRT, so that's why I was able to get all of that with the $4 off. And then I was able to get the other ones and got $2 off. So you just never know what your clearance items are going to equal up to for you to use your CRTs. So guys, I'm going to head on out. I hope you find some of this clearance stuff. And until the next time, keep on saving.